what's also in the photo is clearly apparent that there is a horizon that is blocking the bottom of the buildings in both photos. How
Well,
do you
for sure,
explain that? If
apparent.
it's flat, how do you explain that?
Apparent. So it's based on the conditions the observer would observe, right? Apparent to the observer.
In both pictures, you can't see the bottom of the building. There is something obscuring it. Could it
We
be the
shouldn't
curvature
be
of the
able
Earth?
to see. We shouldn't be able to see. Like. Are you saying that the top all of a sudden curves more in the same exact photo, like the range?
What I'm saying is that
How does that work, man?
sorry, what? Say it again.
So the observer is standing in the same position for both of these. How is this curved with quote so much further than this when both of these you shouldn't even be able to see the tops of the towers?
I don't know how far away it is, so I can't verify that. What I can say is that the bottom of the buildings aren't visible in either picture. There's curvature there, regardless
That's
of
water
how
you're
much,
looking at.
regardless of how much refraction is. You can't see the bottom of the buildings. Something is obscuring it. My guess would
The
be
water.
curvature of the Earth.
Well,
Yeah, curved water.
Well,
Okay.
Curved water that
so
you can't
it should be a
curve.
whole lot more curvature then.
Yeah,
Not
Okay,
just that
so-
I don't know
much.
that.
We shouldn't be
I
able
don't
to
know
see the
that.
buildings at all.
Regardless
Hey,
of how much you
Roundhouse,
should
you
see,
know if
there
you
is some
looked it
curvature
up.
there. Regardless of how much you
no,
see,
that's
there is some
bullshit.
curvature there.
That's
Okay.
a biased argument.
Regardless
So
of what you see, that curvature would be way more significant.
Yeah, that curvature.
So
You
that's
just said
kind of
it.
a
That
biased
curvature would
argument.
be more significant. That curvature would be
There
more
is no
significant. You
curvature,
just
my
said
friend.
it.
I'm
You just
talking
said
about if
that
there was,
curvature.
dude. You're trying to wordplay. That's
I'm not trying to
unintellectual.
wordplay.
That's all he's
No,
That's
got. That's all
unintellectual.
he's
no.
got.
You
You're
just
very
said that curvature
unintellectual.
should
Check
be
you out,
more
buddy.
prominent. You
That
All right,
just
is
said
guys,
that
it.
is
chill
small
out.
and petty.
Why can't you be
Chill
honest
Get
with
up
out.
off your
yourself,
You guys,
hose, boy.
Tell
chill
us
out.
something's going on
Okay,
there's
here.
there's
so
curvature
basically,
there in both
Roundhouse,
Small
pictures.
and petty.
what's going on in the atmospheric conditions can make what you're observing refract downward, right?
Yeah, well, refractions make objects in the distance appear higher.
Did you get that from
Don't
Okay,
let
Loki?
so
simple
wait.
information bypass you, bro. Please.
So
Where'd you get that information from?
explain to me how this on a more dense, more hot, more humid day is making it appear higher. Explain it.
I don't know well enough how refraction works. I don't know what conditions do. And secondly,
Okay, so then you're
secondly,
parroting
we're
what
just
Goldie
whoever
said,
put
bro.
this together. They're just making the statement. We can't verify that those conditions are correct. And to me, the colours in the bottom picture look edited to me. It looks like there's
Edited,
been
fine.
hue added to it, maybe to make it look like a cooler day. I don't know. The point you
6
can make here
billion
too
views.
is that you guys look at this, you don't know where it came from, who made it, and you take it as valid science. Yet Stephen Hawking, Niels Bohr, Einstein.
don't try
we
that.
can't believe any of
Don't
them.
try
What do you mean?
that.
Don't try that,
You
Snafu?
little
You take this
ego
as given
unread
science.
some bitch.
You take this
Calm
as
your
given
jets,
science.
son.
You have no
Calm
idea
your
who
jets.
took it,
is
where it came
most
from.
You believe in a bunch of liars who present you information, and you take it like it's the fucking truth, and it ain't.
A bit like
Sorry.
this picture here that you've taken.
Sorry, we keep breaking your
Who-
globe,
who
dude.
took these pictures,
You can
Snafu? Who
deny
took them?
all you like.
Name
It's
the
not going to
photographer.
stop the
Name
word
the
getting
photographer,
out there.
Snafu.
You're getting out. Hey,
Na-
hey,
name the
gonna
photographer.
get out on that limb. Gonna get on that limb. That's what assholes do.
Name the photographer
Go
that
ahead,
took both
get
of
on
these
the limb.
pictures. Who
Hey,
put this
hey,
together,
You could
Snafu?
find down
Hey,
if you want.
You don't
I
know,
don't
do you?
care. I don't care. It makes your
exactly
fucking
right.
model
You
look
don't
ridiculous.
care.
So based on the mathematics of this picture, the tallest mountains should be completely blocked by physical curvature regardless of conditions.
No, completely untrue.
And this is even highlighted in the write-ups for the image, the extensive planning for the right time and location, and the favourable conditions in terms of high refraction, making it possible to see Pit Gaspard from that spot. Usually, it's not visible.
That's your Guinness Book of World Records
Can
saying that
we
you don't live on a
not get
boat.
into
Guinness,
this photo
buddy.
because it's a complex photo.
Let's talk
Guinness
about
is
this
wrong.
picture. Let's talk about this picture, please.
Can you name the mountains ranges? Can you name the peaks that you can see in those photos?
So the observers on Pit Gaspard and the mountain that should be completely blocked by supposed physical curvature is Mount Blanc. That's a 275-mile observation, or 443 kilometers. And that's in your Guinness Book World Record, buddy. Am I wrong?
There's actually several other peaks either side of Pic Gaspard. To the immediate right is Roche Ronde, and to the immediate left we have Grand Ferrand. Now, both of these are almost identical distances from the point that the picture is being taken, yet Grand Ferrand is 303 metres higher than Roche Ronde. So this gives us a clear reference as to what a 300-metre height difference looks like from this distance. We can also note that from this perspective, Pic Gaspard seems to be the same sort of height as Roche Ronde and significantly shorter than Grand Ferrand. But Pic Gaspard is over 1,000 metres higher.
Yeah, the fact that you can see that far, right, and it's in
Am
the
I
Guinness
wrong?
Book of World Record, doesn't mean jack. No, you're not wrong. It's the Guinness Book of World Record.
This is what I mean. It's weird.
What's weird is you can't do the math behind it to justify it, or you don't.
I've done the math plenty of times, buddy.
It should be hidden behind 9 miles of curvature.
No, absolute garbage.
Because that's a moron statement. You have limitations, buddy.
Yeah, when
We can only do so what we can do. You're so small. You ask dumb questions. Come on, dude.
The ad homs. You hate ad
Get
homs.
scientific. Where's your scientific? Where's your intellect?
Snapper, you love saying ad hom. And you pull them out all the time. I'm so small.
Look at the picture. Look at the picture.
I'm looking at the picture.
You give me a reason. You give me a reason. You keep saying stupid shit.
From our vantage point, Pic Gaspard is 13% further away than Grand Ferrand, yet it is 40% taller. Now, on a flat surface with no curvature, the viewing angle for Pic Gaspard should be 1,800 arc seconds versus 1,451 for Grand Ferrand. So Pic Gaspard should look taller, yet it actually appears significantly smaller and only appears the same size as a mountain that it is 57% taller than. Yet when we plug those figures in for Grand Ferrand and Roche Ronde into an advanced curve calculator, the results correlate with what we see. So the key to why a significantly taller mountain like Pic Gaspard is appearing the same size as a much smaller mountain is because it is 49 kilometers further beyond the horizon, which puts the whole mountain further beyond the curve and so relatively much lower than our vantage point. So there you have it, a record-breaking photograph which gets used as evidence for a flat Earth that actually proves the existence of curvature.